This coin couldn't be more Australian if it tried. Probably the most scariest creatures to come out of Australia. 5-ounce coin today. It's actually 99.9 silver, but you have the gilded, the gold gilding on this piece, which definitely makes it a standout. Oh my goodness, it is something to behold. All of these coins are individually numbered. There we have them. You can see all the scales of the croc there, and the gilding has really been so well done. And I'm looking at the mouths of both of them, the croc and the shark, trying to work out which one would be more scary. And even though it's a 5-ounce, you don't lose any of that detail. Really, really nicely done. The mintage on this piece is only 500 pieces.